Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. In this video, I am going to roast this chicken. I've already got it started by brining it in a 1/4 cup of Tender Quick and a quart of water. It's kind of a high concentration, but I think it's going to turn out really good. I soaked the skin in a bit of oil and salt and pepper, and I'm going to get some herbs and we will get started with it. Okay, so I am going to rub the outside of the chicken with a little bit of olive oil. I had oil on it previously, but I wiped that off, and now we're just going to put another layer of it on and coat it with some salt and pepper. Now, I'm going to take this flap of skin and puncture it. This flap of skin and puncture it. And put this leg over here. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to stuff it with the herbs that I just got. Let's go ahead and take a big handful of rosemary and shove that inside the chicken. All right, that was the whole point of the rosemary. Just put it inside there. Okay, now we're gonna use the chicken's own skin to hold it together. My Dutch oven is pretty small, so I need to make sure that I'm able to fit it all in there nice and tightly. Okay. There we go. Now these wings are flapping around, so cut a little slit here in the armpit. Tuck that fatty wing down there against the breast. That'll provide some fat for the lean meat that we've got there. Do the same on this side. Now it's all trussed up. That is looking good and tight. We're going to cook the chicken in our 10-inch outdoor Dutch oven. We know that it is an outdoor Dutch oven because it has the pegs on the bottom to hold it above the coals, and it has a lip going around so that it holds briquettes on top. So I am going to put my little spacer in there, give the chicken a little bit of room. I did try to find the smallest chicken because I have a very small Dutch oven. I checked my roast chicken after the 20-minute rotation, and it was getting a little done on one side. So I'm gonna put a protector barrier on it with a piece of foil. Alright, it's been 40 minutes. Another 10 minutes have passed since I checked the temperature. Let's see. Oh my goodness. This is smelling delicious. No idea till you do this. It's smelling delicious. Take that off. That is not hot at all. Alright. Let's see if we can get it to poultry temperature. Oh, I felt a bone. Alright. Okay, we are gonna do a 50-minute temperature check. That is coming along so beautifully. Alright, give it a little stab in there. Let's see where we're at. Oh, that is well done. Probably should have stopped it at 45 minutes. So you're gonna have to come back and see the rest of the video. We're going to, let me get that in the shot. We're gonna have the breast for dinner, and then the dark meat is gonna end up in some chicken and dumplings. So let's take a look at this breast. Oh, wow. It smells so good. Like, the rosemary is just everywhere in the air. The cooked chicken, everything. The brining was not too much. It's spot on. It's really hot. That is a phenomenal chicken. So if you like my channel, subscribe, and if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. This is roast chicken in a Dutch oven, and thanks so much for watching.